1, 2.
The Master Guide to Drawing Anime. How to draw original characters from simple templates. This is my most popular book, and I'd like to give you a little tour of it right now. Let's start with some templates of the head. Now, a lot of books will show you how to draw a front view, which is great, and a side view, but they don't always put in a detail about the 3/4 view. See, you need that, because if a front view moves just a little bit, it's no longer a front view. And if the profile moves slightly to the left, it's not a profile. This is usually the most popular and most used angle for anime characters. So let's continue. And I'll show you some schoolboys and turnarounds, and also some clothing variations which change the look of a character. And here's a very important chapter. It's about preteens. These are popular characters. They're buddies, they're sisters, they're mischievous, but their proportions are different. The eyes are slightly wider, the mouth area is smaller, and the forehead top is very large. So you'll learn how to draw those too. And I also would like to show you how to draw the variations of the villain template. The villain is great with its different kind of clothing and poses and attitudes. And back in here we have all sorts of different genres. Magical, after school, we also have sci-fi and fantasy. A lot in this book for you. The Master Guide to Drawing Anime, how to draw original characters from simple templates. I hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.